This video highlights the new Speos feature for texture application in Speos for CATIA. In visual ergonomics studies, a physics-based texture enhances the feeling of immersion thanks to the improvement of realism. With the texture mapping, you can create a texture from any image, bump, or specific surface optical properties, like an isotropic material. Thanks to the integration into CATIA, the Speos texture mapping can inherit its mapping from a CAD material. You can add several layers of a texture on the same geometry to get a multi-texture effect. To give a complete flexibility for creation, all these capabilities can work independently. A texture mapping of an image modifies the distribution of light locally, like wood. A texture mapping from a bump image adjusts the shape of the selected geometry locally, like this grain plastic. A texture mapping from an anisotropic file modifies the anisotropic direction, like on this carbon. We are now going to see the texture mapping process for a bump generation to create a grain plastic effect. In the texture mapping feature, you just need to set a few parameters to create your texture. First, select where you want to apply the texture. You can select faces, surfaces, or outer surfaces of bodies. Then, create the first layer of your texture, rename it, and create what you want to apply. Here, a layer with bump image only. Set the mapping parameters for the bump, the mapping type, origin, and direction for the mapping projection. Now, load the image for the bump. It could be a standard image that Speos transforms into a bump image thanks to Sobel filter, or you can load a normal map image, like this one representing a grain plastic. Set the size and the repeatability of this image. Preview the results to check and optimize the mapping of your image on the CAD geometry. You can define the image texture using the same methods. To go further, you can add specific surface optical properties on your layer. Or keep the original properties set in the default material. Here, we keep the standard optical properties, a BRDF corresponding to a plastic measured with the OMS2. The texture mapping is now created. Before launching the simulation, don't forget to simply activate the texture option in the simulation parameters, so that you can see your final result. By combining image texture, bump, and optical properties, you can faithfully simulate a lot of different kinds of material, like carbon, glossy wood, or leather. You can analyze, evaluate, optimize, and validate the effect of texture material application on your virtual mockup.